Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to a vlogmas day 5. What? I'm like really proud of myself right now with uploading at least 4 consecutive days in a row so far. I just got day 3 up this morning, and I am working on editing a day 4, which will go up tomorrow, and then this is the 5th day that I'm recording in a row, so I'm pretty proud of myself right now. Yes. So I obviously just took a shower. My hair is wet. I'm just gonna let it air dry, and then goals for today, I have to do these few dishes, which I'm going to do in just a minute, and then I want to see if I can get my closet organized and unpacked, because I still haven't done that. I've been wearing like my pajamas, my uniforms, and a couple of sweatshirts that are hanging, so I haven't really like needed anything in those boxes, but boxes are driving me nuts. And then also Kayla and I are getting our couch and end tables today. I probably won't show that because I'm sure it'll be a pain in the butt to get in here, but I will definitely show you guys after or tomorrow. But yeah, that's the goal for today. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day so far, and yeah, let's just get the day going.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready?
Hey guys, good morning. Actually, it's afternoon now. I just woke up probably like, what time? I woke up like an hour ago from my nap after my midnight shift at work, and I'm exhausted. I'm looking rough. I'm not awake yet. I've been drinking my coffee. Like, clearly I'm not awake. My voice is awful. But I've just been sitting on our new couch. Oh, I hate this tripod. Oh my god. I've just been sitting on our new couch, catching up on some YouTube videos, but I do have to finish editing mine for today, and I'm going to get that up. And honestly, I had big plans for today. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen. I am like actually so tired. I might have to go to Target because we're almost out of coffee creamer, and that can't happen. But we'll see. We might be able to go on another day without creamer, or without having to buy creamer. But yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up for a little time lapse. I'm gonna finish editing my video, and I will see you guys after. And hopefully the mic's plugged in and you can hear all of that, because I know I'm super quiet. Yay.
Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh.
Kel's coming home. I gotta cook him some lunch. Alright, so Kel just left to go back to work, and I'm thinking that I'm going to go to Target and get that creamer. Also, I might swing into Bath and Body Works because they're having their $9.95 sale for the 3-wick candles, which I was going to order online, and literally like right as I was about to check out, it had up top, all candles online sold out, go to stores. So like the store is running through the weekend, but online sale was only today. So like that's super annoying, and I hope they have what I want in stores. So if not, I may be upset. And I'm tired and I don't really want to go. Like, I just can't pass up a sale. But I'll probably go to Ulta while I'm over there as well and get my finishing spray, setting spray, because I'm out of that. And I think that's all that I'm out of. And then I'll go to Target as well. Ugh, it just sounds like so much. I'm so tired. But yeah. Vlog is still not up for today. It's done. I just haven't uploaded it yet, and honestly, like, I just want to go shopping and get it over with. So yeah, let's get out of the house, and yeah, I don't really know. Alright, well, that was kind of a bust. I went, and the line for Bath and Body Works, I always get them confused. The line for Bath and Body Works was literally like 10 feet long, and I'm like, no, not worth it for me. Maybe I'll look online again and see if there's like anything that's not sold out, but I doubt it. And honestly, like, I don't really need it. Like I keep saying, I hardly ever burn them. I really just like the way they look. I think they're cute as like decorations. I'm crazy, but it's okay. My God. Seriously, how many times is that going to freaking happen while I'm recording? Anyways, I did also go to Target, and it's got a couple like household things like creamer and whatever, but I did get some candy canes because I really like how they look on the tree, and I do eat them during Christmas stuff. So I figured that would be nice to have, and yeah, I think I'm going to just hang those on the tree and then pretty much just call it a day. I'm exhausted.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain.
Hey, alright, so candy canes are on the tree, and it looks super cute. I love the way that this looks now. I mean, I did before, but it just adds a cute little touch. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. So definitely hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more vlogmas. I am still going to try to continue it probably, but with how I'm feeling today and how I am anticipating work going the next couple of weeks, I'm not sure that I will be able to keep up with the daily uploads like I have been the past couple of days, which is like totally fine. Like, I don't need to be, but yeah, so I hope you are having a great day and are staying safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.